Welcome to the Born to Run Challenge. My name is Ken, your coach for this month. Whether you run for fun, to clear your mind, maybe you like to sweat and push yourself a little bit harder, maybe you like the sense of freedom when you run, or you just want to run around the garden, play football with the kids or grandchildren. Whether you run for relaxation, for health, or to boost performance, when we run, we want to be as efficient and as safe as possible. Running is a natural movement, and it served us very well in order to survive in the past. It's also a movement that we taught ourselves when we were a little kid, and we did quite a good job. But throughout the years, a lot of things change. We tend to sit a lot, and we adopt some lifestyle changes that have an influence on how we move and also how we run. So what can you expect for this month? We want to go back to the basics. Running is a skill like any other sport. So for a couple of weeks, we leave our tracking devices, heart rate zones and interval schedules behind, and we return to our own body. We want to run like we did as a little kid. I will teach you how to make a short video analysis. I will hand you the tools to make corrections, and we do some running drills to improve efficiency and minimize the impact on your joints and the rest of your body. Week by week, I also share a bonus video about warm-up, flexibility and stretching, strength and stability. It will be an easy follow-along video ready for you to use and implement in your running training. Are you ready? I am. Let's go. Let's start.